Welcome to Simple Investing Secrets, your trusted source for valuable investment insights, stock recommendations, and strategies to help you reach financial freedom. In today's video, we'll examine the 12 best Dividend King stocks for passive income. So before we start, we kindly ask that you like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. Let's get started. Investors seeking stable and reliable income often turn to dividend-paying stocks, and among them, Dividend Kings stand out as a unique and elite group. A Dividend King is a company that has not only paid dividends consistently, but has increased them annually for at least 50 consecutive years. These companies demonstrate exceptional financial strength, resilience, and commitment to returning value to their shareholders. Let's review our list of the 12 best Dividend King stocks for passive income, providing a detailed analysis of each. Number 1. Procter & Gamble, ticker PG. Procter & Gamble is a consumer goods powerhouse, producing a wide range of household products. With a dividend history dating back to 1890, P&G is not just a Dividend King but also one of the oldest dividend-paying companies. The company's commitment to innovation, brand strength, and global reach make it a cornerstone for any income-focused portfolio. Procter & Gamble has increased its dividend for 65 consecutive years. Procter & Gamble has a strong brand portfolio, a global market presence, and a history of consistent dividend growth. Number 2. Coca-Cola, ticker KO. Coca-Cola is an iconic brand recognized worldwide. The company's products, including its signature beverage, have become synonymous with refreshment. As a Dividend King, Coca-Cola has demonstrated its ability to adapt to changing consumer preferences while maintaining a commitment to rewarding shareholders. Coca-Cola has increased its dividend for 59 consecutive years. Coca-Cola has global brand recognition, a diversified product portfolio, and a strong commitment to dividends. Number 3. Johnson & Johnson, ticker J&J. Johnson & Johnson is a giant in the healthcare and consumer goods sectors. With a robust business model that spans pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and consumer health products, J&J has consistently delivered value to shareholders. The company's commitment to innovation and diverse revenue stream make it a compelling choice for long-term investors. Johnson & Johnson has increased its dividend for 59 consecutive years. Johnson & Johnson has diverse business segments, a history of innovation, and a strong presence in the healthcare industry. Number 4. 3M, ticker MMM. 3M is a conglomerate known for its innovation across various industries, producing a wide range of products from adhesives to healthcare solutions. With a rich history and a commitment to consistent dividend growth, 3M stands as a reliable income generator for long-term investors. 3M has increased its dividend for 63 consecutive years. 3M has a diverse product portfolio, a history of innovation, and a commitment to shareholder value. Number 5. Emerson Electric, ticker EMR. Emerson Electric is a global manufacturing and technology company that provides solutions for industrial, commercial, and consumer markets. With a focus on automation and technology, Emerson has adapted to changing market dynamics while rewarding shareholders with a growing stream of dividends. Emerson Electric has increased its dividend for 65 consecutive years. Emerson Electric has a strong position in industrial automation, a commitment to technology, and a consistent dividend growth history. Number 6. Genuine Parts Company, ticker GPC. Genuine Parts Company is a leading distributor of automotive and industrial replacement parts. With a history dating back to 1928, GPC has weathered economic cycles and consistently rewarded shareholders. The company's focus on distribution and a diverse customer base contribute to its resilience. Genuine Parts Company has increased its dividend for 65 consecutive years. Genuine Parts Company has an established distribution network, resilience in economic cycles, and a commitment to dividends. Number 7. Parker Hannifin Corporation, ticker PH. Parker Hannifin is a global leader in motion and control technologies, serving a wide range of industries. The company's focus on innovation and engineering solutions has contributed to its long history of success. For income investors, Parker Hannifin offers both stability and growth potential. Parker Hannifin has increased its dividend for 65 consecutive years. Parker Hannifin has strong leadership in motion and control technologies, an emphasis on innovation, and a commitment to shareholder returns. Number 8. Colgate, ticker CL. Colgate is a multinational consumer goods company known for its oral care, personal care, and household products. With a strong global presence and a portfolio of well-known brands, Colgate has been a consistent performer for investors seeking both growth and income. Colgate has increased its dividend for 58 consecutive years. Colgate has global brand recognition, a diverse product portfolio, and a history of consistent dividend growth. Number 9. Stanley Black & Decker, Inc., SWK. Stanley Black & Decker is a diversified global provider of industrial tools, security solutions, and engineered fastening systems. With a history dating back to 1843, the company has a legacy of innovation and adaptability, making it a reliable choice for investors seeking stability and growth in their portfolios. Stanley Black & Decker has increased its dividend for 54 consecutive years. The company has a leadership position in industrial tools and security solutions, a legacy of innovation, and a commitment to consistent dividend growth. Number 10. Hormel Foods Corporation, ticker HRL. Hormel Foods is a multinational food company known for its diverse portfolio of brands, including Spam, Skippy, and Hormel. As a dividend king, Hormel has demonstrated its ability to navigate the challenges of the food industry while consistently rewarding shareholders. Hormel Foods has increased its dividend for 55 consecutive years. Hormel Foods has a diverse portfolio of food brands, resilience in the food industry, and a history of dividend growth. Number 11. Lancaster Colony Corporation, ticker LANC. Lancaster Colony Corporation is a leading manufacturer and marketer of specialty food products. The company's focus on quality and innovation in the food industry has contributed to its impressive dividend growth record, making it an attractive option for income-focused investors. Lancaster Colony Corporation has increased its dividend for 58 consecutive years. Lancaster Colony specializes in niche food products, has a commitment to quality, and has a history of consistent dividend growth. Number 12. Lowe's Companies, Inc., ticker LOW. Lowe's is a home improvement retailer that has become a staple for homeowners and contractors alike. As a dividend king, Lowe's has demonstrated its ability to thrive in the retail sector while returning value to shareholders through regular dividend increases. Lowe's Companies has increased its dividend for 60 consecutive years. Lowe's Companies has a strong position in the home improvement sector, resilience in retail, and a commitment to shareholder returns. Investing in dividend kings can provide investors with a reliable source of income and the potential for long-term capital appreciation. The companies we discussed have not only weathered various economic cycles but have consistently rewarded shareholders with growing dividends. Diversification across multiple dividend kings can further enhance the stability and resilience of a dividend-focused portfolio. While past performance is not indicative of future results, the track records of these dividend kings suggest a commitment to shareholder value that aligns with the principles of buy and hold investing. However, investors need to conduct thorough research and consider their individual financial goals and risk tolerance. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates on the best stocks to buy and cutting-edge investment strategies for building wealth. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your investments.